So how do you know whether or not your content's landing? How do you know if you're actually making a difference on this app or another one? It's kind of easy. First thing is you don't pay attention to the likes. That's not a real indicator. Don't even worry about the follows. Don't even worry about the views. Don't worry about the saves or even the shares. That's not it, guys. Those aren't the true indicators. The true indicator is the comments. In the comments, if you're getting stuff like, you don't know how much I needed to hear that today. If you're getting stuff like, that's me. If you're seeing comments that says, thank you so much for sharing that, you don't know what it did for me, you're in the right space. If not, there's one issue. It's probably because you're not being authentic enough or diving deep enough within your own personal story. Now, here's all you need to know. When you're diving into your own story, do not start at the beginning. Listen, never go sequentially when it comes to telling a story on this app. The first thing that you have to do is start in the absolute middle of the mess. Start there. Then from there, I want you to talk a little bit about the mess, but then you're going to go right to the takeaway. The takeaway meaning, here's what I learned from it. Here's how I see life differently now. Here's what I'll never do again. Start in the mess, go right into the takeaway, and watch how your comments shift. Now, will your likes and all that other stuff change? There's a possibility it will. But now you're making real impact with this app. And most people know that. With that said, if you want to know far more, because there's so much more to this, there's a link in the bio where you can get my signature story framework. The signature story framework is going to show you top to bottom how to always create content that attracts the right people and repel all the wrong ones, as well as making sure you'll never be forgotten on this app. With that said, remember that the goal is growth. Growth happens in the journey. Enjoy it.